Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Try New Things. So glad you took the time to join us. It is a beautiful morning here. It is pretty early here on the farm, and the greenhouse, as you can see, is currently still in the shade, but that's not going to last too long. Now, it being in the middle of June, what I'm learning quick from my first year with the greenhouse is it does a fantastic job of capturing heat, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. And even though I've got a great solar fan, it's still hard to keep the temperature down within the greenhouse. So today, what I want to do is try something a little bit different and put a shade cloth on the roof of the greenhouse. At least that way it'll keep the temperature down and make it an easier job for the solar powered exhaust fan that I have. Don't know if it's going to work out, but we'll find out together. Stay tuned. So here's what I ended up going with. Picked this up off Amazon. I believe it's a 10 by 20, 50% shade cloth. I know it's not going to cover my entire roof, but the sun typically stays off the roof in the morning on the back side. I also have my solar panel there, which is probably not the best spot for it, but it seems to work all day long just the same. So I'm going to favor the shade cloth on this side, which gets the afternoon sun, and we'll see how it goes. Well, I think that's the easy bit done. I've got this side all tied off through some eye hooks that I put in the eaves. Now somehow I've got to get it to lay flat and over the roof. Got an idea. If it doesn't work out well, don't try it. Essentially, I've tied a hammer to the other end of a rope. Came off the rope. Like it worked. Well, at least that step worked. There's the rope I threw over, and way over there is the hammer. Now hopefully this comes up nice and smooth and doesn't get snagged on anything. What's the chances of that? All right, everybody, as you can see behind me, I am done. It is not perfect, but it's really, really good, and I can live with really, really good. Now, this is the sunny side, the afternoon side, and even though I favored this side a little bit more, as it turned out, after I got it all stretched out, worked out about equal on both sides. So I'm happy with that. I can't really quantify the job that it's doing, but I did go inside, and it severely cuts back, not severely, but significantly cuts back the amount of direct sunlight at the midpoint of the day, which it is right now. Now in the late afternoon, it'll be shining through these windows right here. So I think it's about perfect. But anyway, if you got any questions or comments about sunshade or anything else, leave them in the comments below. Do me a big favor, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Well, as you can see beside me,